Sophia has the hiccups.
Hiccup girl. She always had a hiccup. Twice or 3 times a day. And she still does. Hiccup girl.
You got the hiccups.
Oh my god. Is there any way to stop the hiccup?
I could try patting her on the back.
Yeah. She's beautiful.